Hello, this is a brief tutorial showing you how you're going to embed your picture in the Introduce Your Selfie discussion forum. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Get Started. It will send you straight to the modules. Read and Do under Orientation. And Discussion Board 1. It should take you right there so you don't have to go filing, scrolling through. The first thing you'll do is click Reply, and your dashboard will open up here, sort of all your tools. So what we're going to do is two steps. The first step is you're going to get your selfie into Canvas files, and then you're going to embed it into the discussion forum. So you have two steps. The first part, you're going to click the image, and you're going to go to Canvas. And My Files should pop up. So I'm going to open it, and you can see some of my selfies here. Something to notice, these are sideways, and that's because they were really big when I imported them in. And then as soon as I made it a little bit smaller, it's right side up. So you can do that, or you can flip it. You don't need a giant image. A small image is fine if you want to change the size for it. Okay, so I'm going to upload a file. I'm going to identify my selfie. There it is. Open. And here it is. Now, you'll want to add text for students who may be using a screen reader. So this is a selfie holding my dog. If it's just a decorative image, but these are not just decorative. These are sort of telling a little bit about yourself. So you want to make sure that you add an alt text here. And then click Update. And you'll notice your picture shows up right there. If you've made a mistake and you want to change your picture or make it smaller or do something else, you just click on it and click Delete. And it will go away, and you have the option to add another picture in there. Okay, so after you've added your picture, you're going to add a little story about that picture, and I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to let that be a surprise. So again, remember, two steps. Get your selfie into your Canvas files and then embed them in the discussion forum. When you're done, you're going to post the reply. Post. Okay, and it'll be right there. Please give me a call or email me if you have any questions at all.